the WWE Universe on their feet.
The following contest is a tag team Hell in a Cell match. And at a combined weight of 547 pounds.
Gentlemen, this has all the makings of an all-time classic match, and I fully expect it to deliver on that promise.
Are you guys ready?
And their opponents first, from Camden, New Jersey, weighing in at 379 pounds, King Kwan Bundy.
If pride comes before the fall, then brace for one heck of a big fall in this match.
Oh, well, aren't you clever, Saxton? It isn't about pride for this athlete. It's about believing in yourself and keeping firm to that belief. Well, here comes a hardcore wrestling icon who is indeed ready for a brawl.
And from Truth or Consequences, New Mexico, weighing in at 287 pounds, Cactus Jack.
Cactus Jack has proven on multiple occasions he will go to any lengths to win a match.
Yeah, you don't win or lose against Cactus Jack. You simply do your best to just try to survive.
Cactus Jack will not stop fighting once the bell rings, that's for sure.
Cole, I doubt Cactus Jack will even wait for the bell to ring. Cactus Jack just wants to fight.
I just hope he doesn't come over here.
Hey, Saxton, bang, bang.
Here we go, guys. Hell in a Cell. Only way you win is by pinfall or submission. Nowhere to escape.
The cell designed to torture, designed to contain, truly nowhere to run.
Off into the pin.
It'll take more than that to hold him down.
Close fist connects. Oh, God. Huge toss. As we all know, Hell in a Cell matches tend to deteriorate once the competitors leave the confines of the ring.
He's got his hands on the back. One home run swing could end this match. Overhand right lands.
Oh, unloading with an uppercut. Oh, my God.
Oh, Jack caught by the counter. Coming back into the ring, back to the action. Okay, he's re-entering the ring.
Power slam. What a counter.
This is not an environment you can prepare for. What's the state of mind a superstar must have coming in?
A competitor must be relentless if they want to survive Hell in a Cell. They have to put the fear of the unforgiving steel out of their mind. The steel can feel like a cheese grater being dragged down your face. It can mangle your body.
Dodged right on cue. Stomping. Ouch. Boom! He just barely dodges.
Oh, shin breaker. Oh, kick connects. Measured up nicely. Just drop. He's feeling the effects of that last hit. The foot press.
No good as being in control if you can't enjoy it.
And just like that, he sent crashing to the floor.
Whoa, not quite yet.
And each of these lethal maneuvers have got to be taking a toll.
And he goes for the pin. Oh, strong impact. 1, 2. Gets the shoulder up.
He got close there. It could be do or die time.
Back into the ring.
DDT.
Land.
Able to avoid any harm there. Oh, my gosh.
Oh, right to the throat. Hooked up. Bad predicament right here. And the fighting back gets them out of a precarious position. Uh-oh. This isn't going to be pretty. Oh, he knew what was coming. Set up in the corner of the ring.
Wow, there's the claw. This could be it. Ooh.
Uh-oh. What a takedown. Fujiwara armbar. Definitely not where you want to be right now. Just carried like a ragdoll here. Big impact. He's absorbing some tough hits now. Flying forward. We got a cover. Right in the hard way.
Hold on a second. He might be finding a submission hold here. Looking to apply pressure.
Oh, body is not meant to bend that way. Whoa, look at that. And somehow he's able to work his way out of the hold.
Well-aimed strike.
Double underhook applied. Up and down. Slam, slam.
This could be big.
Nice right hand.
This spells trouble for Cactus Jack. Shoulders down.
Hip toss. Oh, got the shoulder up just at the last minute. At 2.5, he kicked out. Can there be frustration mounting in these competitors, knowing it's going to take more to win this one? You can't let those feelings seep into your psyche. You have to keep your focus right across the face. Turning the tables there. Oh, knee lift. Somebody better check his nose. He is delivering elbow after elbow. He moves just in time. Gotta find a way to get out of this.
One wicked attack after another.
And we might be seeing a competitor crumbling before our very eyes.
Soaring European uppercut.
Knife edge chop. Oh, fillet your chest. Dragon sleeper locked in. He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so. And he scores a ball there.
And it's Cactus Jack with the reversal. Clearly waiting for that. Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
Gosh, what a match. And attacking above the shoulders has become the strategy here.
Big forearm. Hooked up.
Just caught flush.
Ah, what a smash. That is just insulting.
What's Jack starting here?
Start pulling power drive.
Time to go to school. Oh, he was almost finished.
I can't believe that this whole arena's in shock.
Yeah, but no one's more shocked than the man who thought. He picks up a submission victory.
Gets the win, and he survives Hell in a Cell.
Here are your winners.
An incredibly impressive showing by this tag team.
Gives you hope for the future of the tag division. Great tag team action on display, guys.